Welcome to this brief tutorial to help you get the most from the Credo reference database. This video will explain the search options available to you and point out some useful links and tools for your research. Credo is like an online encyclopedia with additional tools including an ebook collection and the ability to link to other databases that Medaille College Library subscribes to. It is a good source for beginning research on a topic. The home page you will reach from the Medaille College Library's website will look like this and have a few additional options. Along the top of the page there are links from left to right for the Medaille Library's homepage, the search page for the library catalog, a page where you can choose from library databases, and a link to our contact page so that you can get in touch with a librarian if you need help. Finally, on the right side of the page is the Medaille College banner. Clicking this will open a new window to the Medaille College homepage. The Credo homepage features a basic search box and some other useful links. You can choose from a few search options by clicking the basic search button on the left, which will open a drop-down menu. If you prefer, you can switch to advanced search by clicking the link on the right side of the search box. This will take you to a form where you can enter terms you want included in your search. This is a modified version of Boolean operators. All of the words would be like putting "and" between each term you enter in the box. Any of the words is like putting "or" between whatever terms you put in this box. Exact phrase would be the same as putting quotation marks around a phrase you want to find. And without the words would be like putting a "not" before whatever words you put in this box. Below these form boxes, you can pick from different ways of limiting your search by subject, title, date, or type of result, and sorting your results by relevance, publication date, or length. Let's try an example. We'll search for mental health in the "and" box in the top left, then remove any results that include hospital by putting hospital in the "not" box in the bottom right box. We'll choose not to limit our results and sort our results by relevance. Our results will include brief snippets that show where our search terms, the ones we want included, appear in the articles. Notice that most of our results come from reference works like encyclopedias, dictionaries, and handbooks. To return to the Credo homepage, we'll take a look at subject searching. The box on the right side of the page lists subjects you can choose from. Notice that subject searching only returns ebook results. You can get to the same ebook search page by clicking on the Find a Book link in the Credo options menu in white. Let's take a look inside a Credo ebook. As you can see, Credo does not use a typical PDF or other ebook reader format. Instead of organizing ebooks by page, as many ebook readers attempt to model physical books, Credo organizes its books by article or section. So when we click an article in the contents shown on the ebook's landing page, for example, about the author, we are shown a full article that appears all on the same page, which we read by scrolling down just as if it were a website. To navigate between sections of an ebook, click the Previous Article and Next Article links. If you find an article within an ebook that looks useful, you can click the Save link below the purple title bar. This will add it to a list you can access later. Clicking Print will save the article as a PDF that you can print or save. You can email the citation to yourself or someone else by filling in the required fields in the email form. For the visually impaired, you can click the Listen button and a recording will play an audio version of the article, highlighting sentences as it reads. For those whose first language is not English, clicking Translate Entry will provide a list of languages into which the article can be translated. On the right side of the page, you'll find a box that will search other databases in the Medaille College Library subscription for the subject of the article you're currently reading. Credo provides tools to search within an ebook for narrower subjects. You can enter terms into a search box or choose an option from the Browse Book drop-down. You can browse by images, headings, and people. Clicking any of these options will take you to a page with links and lists, sort of like using an index in a physical book. Earlier, we saved an ebook. Now, if we click on Saved Results in the top menu, we'll see the book we saved with some options. First, choose an option from the action list, then choose your format, then enter your email address as before, and Credo will send the article to you. Tools is another set of searches Credo can perform for you. You can choose to search for a definition, person, or image. If you're not sure how to pronounce a word, Credo can help, as well as with crossword solutions and finding the source of a famous quotation. Finally, Credo has a database of holidays you can search. Mind Map is a tool that will help you brainstorm. If you're researching a topic and need more keywords for your search, Mind Map is a great tool. Once you have a mind map, clicking a term in the map will create a new map showing additional relationships. Finally, choosing from the Search Types menu, you can perform a topic search. Credo has numerous topic pages built around popular topics and people that are more comprehensive than typical search results. Topic pages will have a written explanation of a topic with a selection of other Credo topic pages about related topics, as well as some relevant sources from databases Credo is able to connect to in Medaille College Library's subscription list. Think of it as a more trustworthy version of Wikipedia. Following the tips outlined in this video will help you get the most from the Credo reference database. For help with other databases, check out the other videos in this series, as well as helpful tutorials on conducting research using the library catalog and subscription databases.